Hi Giuseppe, how are you?
Hello Francesco, I'm okay.
Listen about tomorrow. I was thinking of going to London and visit Madame Tussauds Museum. What do you think about it?
Great, it will be fun. I'll be very pleased to come with you. At what time do you want to leave?
Today, just after lunch, we can take the bus leaving at 2 o'clock.
Perfect. So we meet today at the bus stop, okay?
Fine, let's do that.
As for dinner, were you thinking of eating at home or would you like to have dinner at Hard Rock Cafe? I know they have a new menu. I would like to try it.
Good idea. I really would love to stop on the Hard Rock for dinner.
Perfect. I shall see you later.
Okay, I see you.
Okay, hello.